Hey, party people. It's Jennifer Woolsey here. We are still in the middle of Snowmageddon. Snowmageddon? Is that how it's pronounced? Anyway, Texas Snowmageddon or whatever. Anyway, I'm bored. So we are going to do a very quick makeup tutorial and play in makeup. I mean, what else is there to do? The laundry. Can't do the laundry because you have to conserve energy. You can't do the dishes because you have to conserve energy. You shouldn't have all the lights on because you have to conserve energy. But we have to do makeup because I'm bored. So hop in. Let's do this. Hey, Deborah. Hey, Connie. I hope you guys are good. So I've already done my morning skincare regimen. I hope that you guys have heat and electricity where you ever you are, and running water. I know that those are commodities. And I think if anything, this experience in Texas has taught us to be grateful for the simple things, the water, the electricity, the heat in your home. And when it's 120 degrees outside, guess what? We're going to be wishing we were as cold as we are now. So, you know, kind of all works together. Anyway, already done my morning skincare regimen with my Ultimate Anew, and I've added in a few new products. I'm so excited to share all the details with you guys on these Farm RX all natural vegan products, vegan collagen. I mean, what? Yes, I'm so excited. So I'll share all those details soon, but let's hop in. I've already done my primer with the VDL primer, and I'm going to use my Cashmere Complexion Liquid Foundation. So on days like these, we've all been in our house for 4 days now. My husband hasn't been going to work. My children haven't been going to school. We have been pretty much locked in the house together. What do you do to pass the time? So we've played games and, you know, done some of those things. We have, we have a special guest. Come say hi. Okay, come here. Can you say hi? Kaden, look up and say hi. Say hi, friends. He's bored and he thinks he needs a milkshake. So, so I put my foundation on my hand, and we are going to just put it here on the face. But, you know, I think if anything, this through 2020 and now 2021, if we've learned anything, it is to just take things and be grateful for what we have. I mean, truly, I've tried to just be grateful. I know so many people that have things so much worse. I don't know why I have my headset in. So much worse than we do. And so, you know, you can gripe, you can moan, you can bellyache, or you can make the best of the time. The other night, our electricity went off for a little while, and we are blessed to have a gas fireplace. So we, I'm moving my thing here. We had the gas fireplace going, and we had candles lit, and we just sat and sang songs. Hold on. I'm so excited. I have a new makeup vanity that is set up. I just have to get everything put in place, and I'm not going to have to mess with this rickety situation here anymore. So I'm excited to share that with you guys. Anyway, we just sang songs, made up silly songs, sat by the campfire, and just embraced the moment that we had with our family. And I think that, you know, looking for opportunities to do that is probably the best thing we can do to pass that time now. Cashmere Complexion Concealer in shade Matcha. I don't know if you are seeing a difference in my under eyes, but I am seeing a huge difference. And that is thanks to that Farm RX. I mean, let's talk about some natural ingredients and naturally removing those dark circles. It's coming. It's coming very soon. So we launched our campaign this last week, celebrating our Belief birthday. If you haven't gotten on the Belief train, if dry skin is your issue right now, Belief has been our saving grace. The boys want to go outside and play, and then their faces get all chapped and they won't leave anything to cover their faces. So I've been just dousing them in the Belief Aqua Bomb, and bam, they're dried up. It's amazing stuff. So that is this week. And then I shared a video the other day of our new Pure Essential Oils. Hello, I never thought I would be an oil mom, but I'm loving the Zen. I've been diffusing the Zen throughout my house to try to keep tempers down and people from, freaking out. I'm using my Tattoo Station brow pencil in shade brown. And I'm just going to fill in these brows. My next endeavor of entertainment today is going to truly take a glam look. Our afternoon plans include sledding behind the ATV. We have big plans to hook the John boat. This is some redneck Texas living here. To hook the John boat up to the back of the ATV and take turns pulling each other, because we have to ride with the boys. They can't ride by themselves, so I'll have to be an adult with a kid. But we're going to take turns pulling each other around in the field on the John boat. And that requires glam makeup, right? Connie, making cards. Oh, yes. Oh, what a great way to pass time. My kids and I have done some art projects. They aren't near as pretty as yours. Magic's Dust. I'm going to put some setting powder on here and set this makeup. But we did make some cards with construction paper and markers. And they're pretty. Magic's Dust. I have to make one quick trip. I'm going to try to make it into the post office. We haven't been able to check our mail since Monday. So thank goodness for 4-wheel drive. We're going to try to make a quick trip and try to do that. So makeup for the postman, who probably could care less that I have makeup on. It makes me feel better. Okay, we're going to do Mocha Latte Aqua today. Let's see. That sounds like fun. Whoever receives them will be blessed. Yes, they will, Connie. I think we are going to drop them by the assisted living when we run to town for those sweet little people. Chad's grandmother's there. We miss her so much. And so I think we will drop them by for them. I'm just going in with 2 and doing kind of a transition color. I used Chocolate Sensation on this brush last time, so it's kind of dark. I didn't wash it in between. That's okay. We can blend with it. It's still a pretty color. So anyway, my husband got my vanity built. We are clearing out a space. I've got lights coming and a beautiful background. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I'm going to do 3 and 4 here. And I'm going to kind of bring that in. You are going to love it. So I'm going to move it into my office. So if my husband needs to come take a shower, I'm not bothering him. And I can shut the door. There's something magical to moms about being able to shut a door, right? Okay, so we just brought that in a little bit. Such a pretty palette. Okay, I'm gonna take my blending brush, and I'm going to bring this over just a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit underneath the arch of my eye. Pretty, pretty. Why not? The snow cares. So what have you guys been doing if you are in these frigid temperatures? What have you been doing to pass the time, to have fun with your family? Share any tips or advice you may have. Would love to hear that. Love to hear it. I'm going to take that 3 and 4 on a more of a pointy brush, and I'm going to bring those underneath here. Just a little bit. Yes, the boys will, they enjoy doing things for other people. I know that, I don't know how much they understand, but I know that they understand giving back to other people. So pretty. Okay, let's do our glimmer stick eyeliner. So who will you give your cards to, Connie? Do you have special people in mind, or are you making them to sell? I do know that our neighbors, my husband went up and took some water up to them. Their well froze up. And they were saying it was just so nice to see a friendly face. You know, sometimes I think we forget how much we should just stop and check in on our neighbors. And luckily, Chad's wife is a pack rat, and I collect water. Why? But I do. And so I had plenty to spare. He tried to get the tractor out. We are total redneck here. He tried to get the tractor out. We're going to do Love Waterproof Mascara to clear our dirt road, and the gel in the tractor, or the diesel in the tractor has gelled up. So that didn't work out quite as planned. I give them to the, oh, that's awesome. Yes, Connie, giving them to the local nursing home is awesome. Okay. So stay tuned. Tomorrow is National Lash Day, and I will have a very special offer to share with all of my customers tomorrow. Have a little mishap here. Get that wiped off. I'm so excited about it. But I'm just looking for ways to find joy, share joy, count my blessings, not go crazy. Normally, you know, as moms, we have tons of laundry to do and things like that to keep us busy. But when you're trying to conserve energy, it just seems like it's piling up. And that may drive me as nuts as doing all of the laundry. Not quite sure, but probably pretty close. Okay, got the eyes done. What do you think of that eye look? I think I love it. It's simple, it's pretty, it gets the job done. We're gonna do a VDL jelly blush. It's on a stick. Love this rose flake color. It's so pretty and it's so subtle. So it's not like, just like bam, you have tons of blush on your cheek. I'm gonna take a brush and blend it in here and here. Yay! Okay, I've been enjoying the mini. Oh, right. What is the reasoning that there are so many red cardinals out in the snow? Is this normal? We threw some birdseed out earlier today for them. It was so neat to watch them come in. We're going to do Birthday Bomb and Surprise. Such a pretty color. Okay, I'm going to finish curling my hair out with you. Do you know why, Connie, that there are so many red cardinals? Is it just that they come out when it snows, or is it because they are so, you can just see them so much more better because of the snow? I've never seen so many. Isn't it nuts? It's like, so I was told, and this may be an old wives' tale, but I was told that when you see a red cardinal, it is the spirit of a loved one that has gone on. So maybe with all of the people that have passed from COVID, it is their way to bring us peace. I mean, you never know, right? So I've got my curl and spin going. I just put that piece of hair in there and pushed my spinner button, and it's going to beep at me after 15 seconds and tell me when it's done. Bam. This is the greatest invention in hairstyling tools. If you are a hot roller or a hot stick girl and you're like, I get so tired of doing it, you just take it, stick it where you want it to go. You push your little button. It just rolls it right up. If you put too much in or it gets clogged up, it'll stop and tell you it's tangled and make you just barely gently pull it out. It doesn't hurt. And then you can recurl it up. Take some out and recurl it up. But has saved me so much time. And there is just something about pretty curls that just are amazing. So pretty. This one is lava protected with lava plates. And so doesn't damage your hair. In fact, it infuses, see, I almost went in wrong, this part towards your head. Those lava plates actually protect your hair and add minerals to it and shine and bounce. You don't hear that very often when it comes to styling tools. Thank you. I just love a curl. I mean, even though I'm going to put a toboggan over it, right? It's still fun. You know, I just was thinking today as I was sitting at my desk, in 6 months, in July, when it is 120 degrees outside, we are going to be like, oh, where is that snow? I wish we had some of that snow back. So, you know, instead of being upset about it, I'm just trying to find a way to be grateful for it. So I just smooth it out, put it in, turn my button. Now when I'm curling, I curl away from my face. So on this side, I use this button, and on this side, I'll use the further button so that it's curled away from my face and not like wrapped up around my face. You can just take your fingers. It takes me 3 sections to do my hair because my hair is pretty thick. And then out comes the curl. Out comes the curl. So easy. Okay, we got 2 more curls. So I did my other 2 before we started. But I thought I'll show you guys how easy the curl and spin is. Oh, the other thing is it's professional grade, so it has this swivel cord, so it goes with you wherever you go. Also means it's heavier duty, so it's longer withstanding, and it's not going to, I've used it like 9 million times, so it's not going to ruin on you quickly. You'll have beautiful curls. Yes, I will, underneath my toboggan, right? So anyway, I think if my advice is anything on this beautiful 6 inches or 7 inches of snow, how much snow did y'all get at your house, Connie? Is to just be grateful for what you've got and where you are. And if you're warm and you're safe, that's what matters. Because everything else is just time. Enjoy it with your family. I think if I've noticed anything too since Caden just turned 18 is how fast time goes with your kids. I mean, so fast. Okay. We are curled up. Yes. I'm going to take my Chi hairspray and I'm just going to, oh, I should have told you that I also sprayed with thermal protector before I started. Put a little spray in and we're good to go. So thank you guys for playing in makeup with me today. I pray and hope that you are warm and safe wherever you are. And I hope that you have an amazing and a blessed day. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.